Okrujerwa Flavia Zeija ejimishango erukwingana 30 neja kurirwa okumara ebiro bishatu kandi abaramuzi bashatu nibo barajurire. Mishangeji otwariremu emishango 12 eyobwisi 10 eyokutoroboza okwekika kya higuru aggravated defilement emishango ena eyobushuma oburengeine aggravated robbery omushango gumwe ogwo kuhamba ogundo mushango gwo kwita kitagendererirwe manslaughter hamwe n'endijo mishango ebiri eyokubuzaho abantu n'ekigendererwa kyo kwenda kuyita.
By the end of the session, the justices would have had 30 cases in the following categories: murder 12, aggravated defilement 10, aggravated robbery 4, rape 1. And I'm glad these are few, the ones of rape.
Okwiguraho okurikiriza ejimishango ahakote nkuru eya Kabare, Dr. Flavian Zeija yagirango ekigendererwa cyo kutebekanisa no kuhurira emishango omukoti erukujuririrwamo harurengo rw'ebyanga no kugira ngo kicendeze ahabwire amwejurano gw'emishango n'engendo ndingwa kuza Kampala.
He has been able to conduct a criminal appeal session here each year for 3 years in a row. This is a very great achievement both for the judiciary and the people of Kabare. The Court of Appeals from Constitutional Court ordinarily sits in Kampala. However, we took a deliberate decision to hold regional Court of Appeal sessions in order to ease access to justice for the people of different regions of Uganda.
Okrujerwa ahari Zeija obwahati ekitongore kiramuzi omukoti ejururirwamo obwahati beina baramuzi 20 kandi bashemerire kuba bari 35 omunjenderwaho.
However, I wish to mention that the Court of Appeal has a big workload with a limited number of justices. We are grateful to the appointing authority who earlier this year appointed more 5 justices of the Court of Appeal from Constitutional Court. The justices of the Court of Appeals from Constitutional Court are now 20 in number compared to the 13 the year before.
Dr. Flavian Zeija yashaba abantu bona abukikwiseho ngo kucyakubana kibasika bagumene bejinisa emiringo eyanguhe okumaraho buteyikirizana utwariremu nko kutwara enshonga zabo omubakuru b'amadini omubajwekerwa ba president n'abandi bantu abo barukwesiga.
Many of these cases which come to us can easily be solved somewhere else. For example, family matters. In most cases, the family matters which you have here, we can divert them to these religious leaders. If a husband and wife are fighting, if you send them before God and they fail and then they think they can solve their problems before Satan, that is their problem. So you divert them to the religious leaders.
Amubwire bwo kwiguraho orukurira irindiro ry'abana bato enkozi z'ebihagaro remand home ahabwa Kabare Hussein Mwanja yagira ngo obuzibu obubacyatunga no kushanga ngo abana nyamwinji nabamara obwire bwinji aharu remand batakatungire oburinganiza kandi yagira ngo ecyanga cya ankore nicyo kirukusingayo abana abakomerwe bakozire mishango.
Probably maybe to update you with the statistics. For the remand home, currently we have 47 children on remand, and out of 7, 45 are boys and 2 are girls. Actually, with this number, it confirms that the home is operating well below the capacity of 120.
Amjecherwa wa president of district ya Rukigaza Dochi Kamusime yasima ekitongore kiramuzi ahabwe entebeekaniseegi.
On a special note, I would like to thank the Chief Magistrate Kabare for always finding time for Chika.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Jime Emmanuel ahabwa Tayari West.